Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Lydia and I hope you all are doing well. And in this video I'll be sharing with you how to make grilled tilapia and fried shrimps. And I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share. So let's get started. So for my ingredients, I have here tilapia and some other fish. I also have here shrimps, and for my spices I have here ginger, garlic, onion, sage and rosemary, and I also have here ginger powder, onion and garlic powder, paprika powder, and I have here homemade spice blend. I also have some oil and also Suya spice powder, a pinch of salt and all-purpose seasoning. So to start with, I have already washed my tilapia very well with some lemons. So I'm now patting it very dry with some paper towels, and then I'll go ahead and season the fish. So I'll start by marinating it with the blended ginger, onion and garlic, sage and rosemary mixture. Then I'll go ahead and add the homemade seasoning spices, which have some huintia, calabash nutmeg, star anise and other spices. I'm going to add in my ginger powder, onion powder and paprika powder. And also a pinch of salt, and I'll add some oil to it. Then I'll go ahead and marinate the fish very well. So for the homemade seasoning powder, it's already have a lot of chili powder inside. And for tilapia, you have to spice it with a lot of chili, so you don't feel nauseous when you eat it. I will also add some Suya spice to it. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and also share if you are enjoying this recipe. And also thank you all so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate everything. So after marinating the tilapia, I'll let it sit in the fridge. I'll cover it and let it sit in the fridge for about 1 hour before grilling it. And you can also fry the tilapia if that's how you want it. Yeah, so I'm done marinating the fish, and I'm going to cover it with the cling foil and let it sit in the fridge for 1 hour. So the tilapia has been in the fridge for over 1 hour, and now I'm going to go ahead and grill it in the oven. And I've already preheated my oven. And I'll be grilling it for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now I'm going to go ahead and fry the shrimp whilst the tilapia is grilling. And at this point, our grilled tilapia and the fried shrimp is ready, and you can enjoy it with gakenke. That's what I'm going to enjoy it with, or rice or any food of your choice. So thank you all so much for watching, and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.